So guys, we are currently in Pretoria, and I know we very recently, I think in the last video, posted about Thinus's 1400 Bakkie, and the response is really great. Thank you for everyone for watching and tuning in. But it's a sad day. Thinus is letting go of the Bakkie. It is for sale. I think they said they want 50 grand for it. I don't know by the time when I post this video whether or not it's still going to be available, but we currently parked it there at the back at Koenraad. He also builds 1400s. He is currently building a very sick 1400, but yeah, Thinus sold his SsangYong and then is also selling the Bakkie now to get a car that was just in the background. But I'm going to show you quickly what they are getting now. It's just a bit of an upgrade compared to the SsangYong, something more reliable. We'll be definitely coming back for a 1400 sometime soon, but I'm going to show you quickly what they are getting now, and then I'll also show you a little special car. So there's Thinus's sister's child. He's a streamer, John Ray. I'll link him down below. Does like Omega videos and stuff, but I'll show you his Golf R as well, which he got. So here is Thinus's new car. Let's go. So Thinus is getting, for him slash his wife, I think it's a 2013 or 2015 1.6 TDI Audi with the DSG gearbox. They're just doing it as a bit of an upgrade. These cars are obviously very light on fuel or diesel, and it's a little bit of a safer ride. They've been having problems with the SsangYong over the last year, so they wanted to upgrade a little bit, just to make it a bit safer ride for Chantal, having to go and fetch the kids from school, and also just for them driving as a family. So this is the 3-door, the 2 front doors, and the boot at the back. But I think it looks really nice. The body is still in very good condition, and it's got some newer Audi A3-ish wheels. Very nice car. But now let me show you John Ray's Golf R. I think this is a Golf 7.5R. As you see, he has a nice little rear diffuser. It's got an aftermarket wing on, and I think it's some OZ racing wheels. Don't know if they're originals or not. You do get a lot of reps in these, but lip kit, side skirts. I don't know if it's tuned. Sorry for the dogs. I think it is tuned. I think it's got downpipe. Don't know if it's got hybrid turbo. I'll try find out for you guys, but it looks really sick. I really like the Golf R's in these blue, and then as I can see now, it's got lowering springs on as well. But apparently Ethan says that this car is quite fast. We're gonna see if John Ray is awake and we can get a nice little cold start. But yeah, thank you for joining in. I hope you like the Golf R, and don't know what Thinus's plans are for the Audi. Maybe an exhaust and a downpipe, but yeah, we're gonna. Okay guys, as you can see, we are back home. It is a couple of hours later. The weather has changed drastically. I don't know what's going on with the weather in Joburg, but the rain has been good to us. We have needed it. We went for a few short drives, in-town driving and highway drives with Thinus's new car, and I must say the diesel on that is very economical. Thinus is not someone that likes to drive slowly, and still, with having quite a bit of a heavy foot, still managed to get around 5.6 to 6 liters per 100. And then while we were on the highway, the fuel consumption actually dropped down to 4.1 liters per 100 kilometers. So let me know if you guys would like me to do a little review on this Audi A3 1600 TDI. Leave a comment down below. I'll ask Thinus and we can do like a full review of the car, seeing what it's like, what the numbers are like, the power, and also getting a bit more in-car footage for you guys. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave a comment down below whether or not you think Thinus should not have sold the Bakkie for this Audi. Like I said, it is for family purposes, and to make the transport and traveling a bit safer when they're going on longer distances, especially because his son is playing rugby in a bit further parts of the country this year. Thank you guys once again for watching. Please remember to hit the like button, subscribe, it is absolutely free, and I'll see you guys shortly for another video. Cheers. Memphis, man.